Knuckles, that one's all you.
Looks like your team is stretched a bit thin, you periwinkle pipsqueak.
I can take you one-on-one any day, Egghead.
Who said anything about one-on-one?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
It's working. The plan's actually working.
Over here, you oversized can opener!
No!
Call off your goons or I'll smash you into next week.
I'm busy next week. I mean, I could reschedule, but I...
Pathetic. Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic.
It's happening. Shadow has joined Team Eggman. I'm geeking out here. Need any help, Shadow? Okay, you got this one. Oh, I just missed you. Allow me to... okay, just tag me in when you're ready.
Out of the way, you buffoon.
Excuse me, I'm with Shadow.
Hey, we worked all day on that!
Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind, and for that you shall perish.
We did it! Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman! Victory selfie!
You fool! I had him just where I wanted him.
Sorry, that one's on me, Shadow. Forgot to turn off the flash. Pig looks great, though, if it's any consolation.
Enough! How's a guy supposed to destroy his foes with dolts like you wandering around? We'll fight again soon, Sonic, but next time on my terms.